Hi, Crafty Angels. Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs with another installment of today's prayer. And today's prayer is whatever you do, do it with all your heart. Colossians 3:23. Now I have my Bible, and it's the Inspired Bible, and I have it open to Colossians chapter 3, verse 23. We're going to get it. Work willingly at whatever you do, as tough as we are working the Lord rather than for people. Okay, so working hard for the Lord rather than for people is what it states here. So that's today's prayer and today's verse. Okay, so I want to thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. Don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. And also, please be kind, be blessed, be caring, be loving, be crafty, stay crafty. Happy crafting on a budget. Happy everything on a budget. I will see you all on the next video and on the flip side. Bye bye for now, crafty angels.